This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a classic Long Island iced tea, step by step. This iconic cocktail is known for its potent blend of 5 different white spirits, cleverly disguised by its tea-like appearance and refreshing taste. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients and the right glassware to ensure your drink is perfectly crafted and ready to impress. Now, let's begin building the foundation of our Long Island iced tea. Carefully measure and pour 1/2 ounce of vodka into your chosen tall glass. Follow this by adding 1/2 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of white rum, and 1/2 ounce of silver tequila. Finally, incorporate 1/2 ounce of triple sec. This precise combination of 5 distinct spirits creates the unique character of this famous drink. With our spirits perfectly blended, it's time to introduce the non-alcoholic components that give the Long Island iced tea its signature look and taste. Add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice or a quality sour mix to the glass. Then, fill the glass generously with ice cubes. Gently top off the entire mixture with a splash of cola, which provides that characteristic amber hue and a touch of sweetness. We're almost there. With all the ingredients in the glass, take a moment to gently stir everything together. This ensures that all the flavors are well integrated and the drink is evenly chilled. For a final touch, garnish your Long Island iced tea with a fresh lemon wedge or a vibrant lemon slice. Your delicious, homemade Long Island iced tea is now complete and ready to be enjoyed responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.